if there's, you know, Friends is getting popular again, a 90s show Friends. Like in Friends, you have these other 4, 5, 6 characters, I don't remember, but they repeat, and then they have their boyfriends come in, girlfriends. Sometimes that girlfriend is for one episode only, and she leaves and she never comes back, but the cast stays the same. Hey, Rasmus Basilier here from the Authentic Content Company, and I want to talk about filming your employees. I see a lot of different companies now trying to make more video content, which is great. And they want to make it more authentic by filming their employees and showing this is how we work, these are the people here. I see there's a point that helps when it comes to attracting talent, that you give this kind of view of who is working here. I get it. But it doesn't fulfill the authentic content need of our human brains. We need to see the same person repeatedly. Like for us to get excited about working with the company, either as a worker or buying their services, we need to know, like, and trust the people there. And if I get to see a person one time, it's not enough. That's not how it works. It's really nice that that's happening, but that's just like a pre-step before actually making authentic content. Following a person, you know, having shots with certain people from certain part of the company over and over again, that would make sense. I get to see Pia at HR, and I get to see Ollie from Floor working with his welding equipment once a week. Like that would make me understand these are the people in this company. Actually, here's a good metaphor. Think about it as a television show or like a soap opera. You can't just switch the characters around all the time. It doesn't make sense. You need to have the same characters repeatedly. If there's, you know, Friends is getting popular again, a 90s show Friends. Like in Friends, you have these other 4, 5, 6 characters, I don't remember, but they repeat, and then they have their boyfriends come in, girlfriends, and sometimes that girlfriend is for one episode only, and she leaves and she never comes back, but the cast stays the same. And actually, sometimes, depending on how the episodes are done, not all the cast are equally promoted. It might be episodes where one character is very much highlighted because it's, you know, her wedding, or, you know, he's trying to get a new job, or whatever it might be happening. Even though I just realized Friends is a television show with actors which is completely non-authentic because they are not themselves. But, you know, taking that aside. So when you make authentic content, we need to use the same thing. We need to work with the brain in the same way that the television show knows how to work our brain. We need to do the same thing. I want us as content creators, I want you to share the people who you work with, absolutely, but share them repeatedly so I know who are like the main characters of this company, who are the main people I will be collaborating with. Then you might have guest stars that come in every now and then that I get to see. They might only be featured once, but at least give me the crew and give them a face and share their voice so I get to know, like, and trust who they are. When you start making your first authentic content, let me know. I'd love to see it. Please share with me. If you thought it was useful, I'd love to talk with you more. I'm hanging out on LinkedIn, so you can find me there. All right, till next time, take care.